Hey guys, I've been wanting to do this video for so long and finally give you guys an updated room tour because I've definitely changed around my room. The last time I gave you guys a room tour was the very beginning of this year, so it's been a couple months and it's time to do an updated one. So let's get started. I'm gonna go into detail. It's gonna be so much fun, so I'm so excited. Yay. So this is the back of my door and I'll give you guys an overview of my entire room first. There's so much to look at, I know. So I spent a lot of time in my room, and especially over the last year and a half, I guess, I've spent so much more time in my room than usual. So I feel like I've worked on it so much more in making it everything that I want. So I always wanted my room to be very me, you know? Like, I want to put everything I like, everything I want to see. I wanted to fill every space in my wall pretty much and just make it look as nice as possible. And I really like being in here, you know? I want it to be like a whole new experience when you walk in my room. I think it's coming out so good. So I'm gonna start with this side of my room. This is the back of my door. As I said, I have random stuff hanging on the back of my door, and I have all of these pictures and posters up along this wall. This is definitely one of my favorite walls. So cute. I also put up some fake flowers and some stickers on my wall, so it all kind of comes together. I'm constantly updating all of those pictures. I think they're all so cute. Most of them are from last year already, so I need to get some new ones. I really liked how I kind of scattered them out. I used to have this entire wall covered in photos, but I really like how they're kind of scattered now. So there's a little bit of space in the wall between the pictures and the posters. On this shelf up here, I have some skincare products, my Glossier face masks, and then below here I have my dresser and two Alex 9 drawers on either side that have stuff on top of them. And down here I have all my jewelry. I just did a jewelry collection and I went through all this stuff and showed you guys where it was from. But yeah, this is all my everyday jewelry. I have some incense back there. I have these little jewelry hooks that I hang all my jewelry on my wall. And then this is my dresser. So this is where I get ready in the morning. I just usually stand right here on this rug. I do my makeup, which I have right here, get ready in this mirror, which I love. Over here I have some random products, sunglasses, hair ties, headbands. I love this mirror, so cute. So that is this part of my room. Over here I have more posters. I get a lot of questions on where I get my posters from, and a majority of the ones in my room are from Amazon. Amazon has so many options for posters, so I usually just get them from there. Like those two big ones, but like this snake one is from Urban. I love this one, it is so pretty. On top of this Alex 9 drawer, I have all of my crystals, I have my incense, I have a salt lamp. I love this part of my room, it is so pretty. I keep my makeup in these drawers, so when I'm getting ready, I could just come over here and get my makeup out or whatever I need. I also have some phone cases, right? Just everything. So next I have my window, and then down below that I have this area. When I redid my room a little bit ago, I got this shelf and I've been storing all of my art supplies in it, and it is literally so nice. That is one of my favorite purchases I've made for my room because it keeps everything so organized, and that was a problem I had for a long time because organizing art supplies is so hard, like to find a place to keep everything. So when I got this cart, I didn't realize how well it would work out, so I have all of my art supplies in here, bunch of stuff on the top, and then when you go through each layer has different stuff. So I love that, and I love keeping my art organized in there. And then next to that I have a bunch of random stuff on top of this mini fridge. I got this mini fridge when I moved to my college dorm, but since I'm not living in a college dorm, I just have it right there. And it's not plugged in, I just have a bunch of stuff on it. Candles, tea bags, an old CD player, my Alexa, I don't know. I have my everyday shoes right here, and then I have this rug, which is literally my favorite thing ever. I love this rug, so I have that on the floor. I have some random art right here that I did, and I'm gonna continue to fill up this wall with more mini canvases like that and just more art that I do, which I think is gonna be cool. Along my window, I have all of these random things. Above my window, I have these little green vines and those planets up there, which are so cute. So now we're coming along to the next section of my room. This is another section that I love. I spend a lot of time getting ready over here as well. I have my clothing rack all right here. I have my shoes in these boxes. I keep most of my good shoes in these boxes because my dogs love to chew them, so all of my nicer ones are in here. So this clothing rack I got from the Container Store a long time ago. I think I was in middle school when I got it, and I'm obsessed with it still. So these are all kind of my summer clothes that I have put on here right now. that I want to wear or I've been wearing recently. And then I have some bags here, accessories, whatever. Cute. More pictures. I have all my Polaroids right here. I really want to fill up this wall, but I really don't take a lot of Polaroids. And then I have this really cute bees and honey poster that I'm obsessed with, and I just put it right there. I have this huge mirror. This is one of my favorite things ever. This was literally a closet door in one of the other rooms in the house. I remember, I think it was my sisters that were redoing their closet, and they were taking those closet mirrors off of their closet. And since I don't really have a closet in this room with mirrors like that, I was like, I'm taking this. I took it. I was like, I want this. I love this mirror. It's my favorite thing ever. It's huge. Great for outfit of the days. Here's my outfit today. That is this section of my room. Down here I have this little cart and it's filled with a bunch of shower products and random stuff. I keep it in this little thing so I can easily carry it to the bathroom when I'm taking a shower. Next to my mirror, I have this section. This is all decorated, so cute. So I have a couple posters on here, and then I hung up my bags on the wall as well, which I think looks so cute. And I do use all those bags, so when I need them, I just come over and they're just like hooked like this. So it's perfect. And I have this little light that I've had for a while. I have some CDs that I drew on, and then these random things that I drew. These little eyes I'm obsessed with. I drew these and then just stuck them all over my room. And then I have some stickers. So cute. So I love this section of my room as well. I'll usually film in front of this part. Usually when I'm filming, I have this stuff in the background because I really like how everything looks back there. And then below all of that, I have my bed. So I spend a lot of time in bed. It looks so much better when it's made like this. But I just have this white comforter on and then these pillows. And I recently got a bed frame, so it's elevated now and it looks so much better, you guys. So that's my bed, and then in the corner is my closet. So I've done a couple videos where I clean out my closet and organize everything, but that's back there and it does have a lot of clothes and random stuff organized in there. So I've talked about this before, but I've tried so many different ways to rearrange my room so that my closet isn't like behind my bed right here, because it's kind of impractical to get clothes and stuff out of my closet when my whole bed is blocking it. But this is the best way that my room fits everything. Like, I have tried so many different versions of just changing around the stuff in my room to make it all fit better, just so I can access my closet easier. But honestly, it's fine. I have my clothing rack, I have my dresser to keep my clothes in. I don't really need to access my closet all the time. But yeah, it is kind of weird that it's just hidden like behind my bed with like a curtain, but that's my closet. I don't know, it's fine. So next to my closet, I have these two posters, which I'm obsessed with. I also got these on Amazon, and I think all the posters just look so good together. And then next to my bed, I have my bedside table. I have this little lamp with a bunch of random things. I have my light, I have my water, bedside table. I also have this built-in shelf into my wall that's been there since I got my room. It has all this random stuff, my Polaroid, another Polaroid, incense, old jewelry box, books, stickers, I don't know, random stuff. So this is just a bunch of storage, and then I have like some tripods and my lights back there, which is cool. And then we're back to my door. So lastly, I have this little light switch that I put on here. I drew this and then put it over. So cute. And that's it. I have the lights going all the way around my room. These are just those LED lights that everyone has or has had. But they're honestly so nice because my room gets really dark. It's really nice and bright like this in the morning, but then in the afternoon and then in the evening, the sun is on the other side of the house. So it does not really get that bright in here, but when I turn on the LED lights, it totally transforms my room, so it brightens everything up. So I love them. They really make a difference in my room, so I really like having them. And then my fan, it is on because it's so hot, but I just got this fan, and I had a white fan before, but the wooden panels look good, I think. So that is my entire room. I had so much fun filming this, and I'm so glad you guys got to see like an in-depth room tour now, because I've been wanting to show you guys around my room for a while. I spent a lot of time in my room, working in here, getting ready, hanging out. My room used to be super plain. I like it now a lot more. You know, I feel like you can tell how much time I spend in here based on the decorations. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my room. I really liked showing you guys, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah.